How to password protect files and folders in Windows. So if you want to protect or password protect files and folders in your Windows, then what you need to do is just go with the File Explorer and locate the file that you would like to password protect. So for example, I'll be choosing a file. Just right click on it, and then you can go with show more options and go with the properties. Under properties, you'll get this kind of interface. Make sure that you're under the general tab and then go with the advanced, which is here on the right side. And here under the compressed and encrypt attributes, make sure that you've selected the option of encrypt contents to secure data. After that, you just need to simply go with OK and again click on OK and then apply. Once you've applied, you'll find a lock-shaped icon on the upper side of the folder. This means that your file has been protected with your Windows admin password. Similarly, you can encrypt a folder that is containing important files by the same process. If you want to remove the protection from a file or folder, then you just need to simply right-click on your protected file or folder. Under the menu list, you need to simply click on the File Ownership option, and then you can click on Personal Sub-menu. Here you will have File Ownership. Under that, you need to go with Personal Sub-menu. Once you click on it, then it will be removed. So that's how you can password protect files and folders in your Windows. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.